Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Max Linear Inequalities exercise 6.27 sum. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically in two-dimensional plane, and the given question is minus 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to minus 6. So this is the given question. We don't know to solve it in inequalities. We need to do it in graph. But with inequalities we don't know to solve, but we know it to do in equal to. Now let us consider the given question to be minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. I am taking this point to be minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. If I take this point, if we substitute the value of x or y, we can get the other variable. Now taking x as 0 and the other thing taking y to be 0. Only 2 points is more than enough. So taking x to be 0, we get 2y. If x is equal to 0, we get 2y equal to minus 6, then y is equal to minus 3. Taking y to be 0, if I take y to be 0, minus 3x is equal to minus 6, then x is equal to 2. So 2 points is more than enough. Always try to do it with x to be 0 and y to be 0. It is easy for you to finish the sum. Now let me plot it in the graph. Yeah, I have marked the graph. Now let me point it here. 0 comma minus 3. This is 0 comma minus 3 and 2 comma 0. So join the 2 points, extend it, you will get the graph. Now this is my graph of equation minus 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 6. So this is the graph of the equation which is equal to 6. But we want it for greater than or equal to 6. For that, take any point from this side or this side of the graph. If I take 0 comma 0, it will be easy for me to do the sum. So I am taking 0 comma 0. Substituting 0 comma 0 in the given equation, we get substitute 0 comma 0. If I substitute it here, we will get 0 is greater than or equal to minus 6. Always take the greater than or less than symbol, not the equal to. If I take greater than symbol, 0 is greater than minus 6, which is true. It is true because 0 is greater than minus 6. Now, as it is true, just shade a line towards 0 comma 0. So it is, if it is true, shade in this direction. So it should be towards 0 comma 0. Now write the final answer. Shaded region is towards the origin. The shaded region shows the inequality. So the shaded region shows the inequalities of the equation 3x minus 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to minus 6. That's all with the sum. Thank you.